Hello everyone, welcome to Study Automation. In this video we will see how to take full page screenshot using Chrome driver. So taking a screenshot is easy if we are using Chrome driver, but if I need to take a screenshot of the complete page, full page, then it's difficult. For example, here we have Selenium dev, and in this page you can see if I need to simply take a screenshot, I can use take a screenshot class from the Selenium and then you can do. But I need to take the full screenshot. Then how we will do that? So in this video we will see that only. Here we have imported system.set property and we have given the Selenium driver path, and then we have created object of web driver equal to Chrome driver, and then just given the URL of Selenium. Now let's write code for taking normal screenshot. So for that I will use take a screenshot, and then I can typecast it to driver class. I need to typecast to a screenshot, and then I will use get a screenshot as output. This method is available, so I will use this method to take the screenshot, and then you have to tell the output type as file, and then after that we have to store this object data in one file object, and then we will pass it. So we can use here file handler from the Java from the Selenium. So we can simply use file handler dot copy, and then we can write source, that is src, and then target where exactly you want to save this file. So I'll say new file, and then I'll put here the path from the computer. So it's a screenshot folder which is available in desktop. I want to store here, so I'll just copy paste here slash, and I will put the name of the screenshot. So I'll say page.png, and let's run it. We can see if it's printing or not. So now let's go into the folder and see if we have the page.png. Yes, we can see here, and if I will open it, so you can see one screenshot is available here, and this is the only visual page screenshot. So now visual page screenshot we can directly take using web driver, and we already have take a screenshot. Now let me show you how to take a screenshot of the complete page, full page. So for that we need to download. We have many ways, but what we will do, we will use external library that is called Shutterbug, and using Shutterbug we can do that. So here is Selenium Shutterbug, and we will use this Java library. Just copy it and search it in Google, Shutterbug Maven. Open the first link and open the first or latest version from there, and just copy the dependency. We can add this dependency in our project. Go to the pom.xml file and paste here. Now after that you have to just save it. It will automatically import, and we have to use this Selenium Shutterbug to take the screenshot. Now let's go here, and we can create object of Shutterbug dot shoot, and then we can write page. Here we will use the fourth one, and here we can pass the driver, and then the next one is capture, and then we will put full, and then third parameter will be true dot, and then we have to simply say save. Now save method also it will work, but we have to provide the path where exactly we want to save it. So I'll copy the screenshot folder, and let's put this in double quote, and then just we have to save it. Now our program is done. If we'll run it and wait, yeah, so now I think it's happened. So let's go into the folder Yes, you can see we have now a screenshot available. Just double click and open it. You can see it's complete page full screenshot. And this thing we can't do directly with Selenium Chrome driver, although you can do with Firefox